Hey guys, here I am again, Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair. This time we're demonstrating a radio out of a 71 Mustang. This comes from Mark in Renton, Washington. Mark has requested the modern internal FM conversion with Bluetooth, and he's also ordered the my reasonably cool master input-output box, which has all your left and right, front and rear preamp outputs, a sub output, and also your aux input. It's all on this handy little box. So let's go ahead and turn this puppy on and make sure everything works before we send her back. I've got it set to AM at the moment, to the one strong station I get, so let's go ahead and turn her on.
1200.
And while we're on talk radio, I'm going to demonstrate the balance and fader.
800-210-1200.
Okay, original left-right balance control when they start talking again. This station has been off and on all morning. I may have to change to a different station because, as you can see, we have a carrier, but there's nothing modulated on it. So let's just try, let's just go over to FM. Okay, I lied. We'll just go to a weak AM station so we can demonstrate our balance and fader functions. Alrighty, left-right balance, all the way right, left, right. Okay, let's try our virtual front-rear fader.
Fader adjust.
Okay, so now all the way front, all the way rear, front, rear. Okay. Let's make sure the Bluetooth goes fader set. Let's make sure the Bluetooth goes into pairing mode.
Bluetooth ready.
Okay, so you heard that. Okay, let's switch over to FM, which we do on this unit by turning it off, then right back on within about half a second. We don't need this stuff anymore. Okay, off on. Okay, now we're on FM, and I have all five. Presets at the stations in my ear for a quick test.
Sentí una gran pena.
History's signature fundraising, the springs, rollers, and hinges.
Okay, that one drifted a bit. Just reset it. And there we go. Okay, let's try the 8-track. Alrighty, pull the tape out, radio comes back. Let's check the dial light real quick. Yep, and we are good. I can see there's a faint green glow. You can't see it, but I can. So she's ready to go back. I'm ready to get on the next video. I'm Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair. And to reach me for service, please visit the website in the description below. And if you download and print the work order before calling me, that'll save us both about 15 minutes on the phone. Naturally, I can't get any work done while I'm on the phone. The work happens on the bench. So I try to arrange my system to where you're welcome to call me if you need to, but I prefer that you refer to my written material first so that I can stay on the bench as much as possible. That's what basically means quality workmanship, is being on the bench and not on the phone. So thanks so much for watching, listening, and thank you, Mark, for your business from Washington, and we'll see you guys next time.